दिल्ली के अंदर 5 साल के अंदर आज इतनी अच्छी व्यवस्था है।
झूठ बोलो,
हर गली के अंदर हमने मोहल्ला क्लिनिक खोल दिए।
बार बार झूठ बोलो,
हम पूरा इलाज मुफ्त दे रहे हैं।
जितनी बार बोल सकते हैं झूठ बोलो।
कोई चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है, दिल्ली सरकार आपका इलाज फ्री में कर रहा है।
एक ही काम, झूठ बोलो, झूठ बोलो, झूठ बोलो और जोर जोर से बोलो।
Truth. Kejriwal's Delhi model is an absolute flop show, especially if I talk about the healthcare sector. Do you know that out of the total 1.32 lakh deaths recorded in Delhi in 2023, 21,000 are from infectious diseases alone? This is the true picture of Kejriwal's Clean Delhi. Preventive healthcare, which has lately become one of the rapidly growing sectors in India after the launch of Ayushman Bharat scheme by PM Modi, is not taken seriously by Kejriwal's Delhi. Just look how in the past few years Delhi has become a breeding ground of dengue, owing to the utter filth and garbage dump loitering around the streets of Delhi. Latest media reports suggest that the tidal dengue cases in Delhi have reached up to 4,533. Last year, this number was 9,266, making Delhi the third worst dengue outbreak in the city. In fact, apart from that, MCD has reported that the cases of malaria and chikungunya are also on the rise in the city. That's why, if I show you the data from past some years, then you'll notice how the leading cause groups of medically certified deaths in Delhi is first infectious and parasitic disease, then second it is symptoms, signs and abnormal clinical and lab findings. Furthermore, deaths are caused due to circulatory, respiratory system diseases and genito-urinary system as well. Secondly, the major causes of infant deaths, which was reported to be 7,439 in the city, is due to pneumonia, septicemia, hypoxia and respiratory conditions. And let us not even get started on how Delhi has become a gas chamber. These are the latest visuals of the national capital. Every day, news of poor, very poor AQI levels are reported, but still nothing fruitful has been done by the Delhi government till date. This, when one of the major reasons for the poor air quality is the stubble burning in Punjab. Aam Aadmi Party is in power in Punjab, and despite agriculture being a state subject, farmers are not given enough incentives to cut back on burning. And well, if I show you the stats of institutional deaths in Delhi, then it has drastically increased from 81,613 in 2022 to 88,628 in 2023. Despite such worrying statistics, just look at the condition of Delhi's world-class mohalla clinics. These clinics have been under the spotlight over the allegations of fake lab tests. Reports suggest that the clinics were involved in irregularities worth hundreds of crore of rupees, wherein lakhs of fake pathology and radiology tests were ordered on ghost patients. Phone numbers were also duplicated and payments were made to private labs referred to by the mohalla clinics. Unlike what Kejriwal says, just opening mohalla clinics in every nook and corner of the city is not the solution to Delhi's devastating health system. The real solution lies in religiously managing the preventive healthcare system, a model which Delhi should copy from Gorakhpur on how positively it handled the outbreak of Japanese encephalitis in the city. Delhi should follow the example of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, of how, after its implementation, there has been a drop in the number of infant deaths. As per a study, construction of toilets has potentially prevented 60,000 to 70,000 infant deaths annually. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.